now we are doing density separation of 6 to 12 mm senna leaves. On the front side we are supposed to get only leaves, and on the back side you will get sticks and stems. This is the front side. We are getting mostly leaves and some lighter stems which are of the same density. On the back side you will get heavy stems, as you can see. 6 to 12 mm senna leaves. This is the last stage of cleaning and sorting. Density separation. Leaves on the front side, heavy stems on the back side.